Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MDR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And overall, I mean, the overall day was fine, but disappointing. And the reason I say it's disappointing is that final 30 minutes pushed it right back below that red line here, which I talked about yesterday as that area of resistance. So pretty much all day long, that level would have been considered an area of support at $1.82. But because the price is now closed down below it, unfortunately, that's got to be considered an area of resistance. Now, I would fully agree that that level of resistance has been weakened up, but still, weakened level of resistance or not, it's still a level of resistance, so that level's got to stay, red for now. But like I said, up until the first or that last 30 minutes right there, the chart was looking like that, and I mean, it was looking very, very healthy. Broke up, pulled back, found some support on that resistance, bounced off of it. But then that level really, like I said, it didn't ruin the entire day. And it didn't ruin the entire chart either. That's not what I'm trying to say. I'm just pointing out the fact that that final 30 minutes was pretty rough, and given that it closed down below there, still, like I said, going to be considered an area of resistance. Let's do this to kind of represent. So I'll just make this a little skinnier of a line because, again, sure, it's a level of resistance, but not as big of one as I would expect. So I'll leave that a little bit skinnier. But one of the newest areas of resistance that definitely made itself known here was up at $1.88. But again, before we start talking and talking about doing battle with $1.88. Price first needs to break itself back above that $1.82 mark. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report. Still have the overall level down here at $1.75, and then also keep an eye on that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes on, that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. So from the big picture point of view, as long as the price remains above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. So keep an eye on that, and we'll see what happens with it. But all in all, good movement today. That final 30 minutes was a little bit of a buzzkill, but big picture-wise, price still is in that uptrend. So let's see how the week continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.